Speak Up English, the key to success.
Sarah, have you seen any good travel-themed movies or TV shows recently?
Oh, yes. I love films and shows that take us on virtual adventures to different parts of the world. There's something magical about exploring new places from the comfort of our own home.
I couldn't agree more. Travel films can be so captivating, transporting us to exotic destinations and immersing us in different cultures.
Absolutely. They allow us to experience the beauty and diversity of the world without leaving our seats. It's like a cinematic journey of discovery.
Speaking of journeys, have you watched The Secret Life of Walter Mitty?
Yes, I have. That film is a delightful ode to wanderlust. I loved how Walter's vivid imagination takes him on epic adventures around the globe.
It's a beautiful portrayal of the transformative power of travel. The breathtaking landscapes and the message of embracing life's adventures are so inspiring.
And Eat, Pray, Love is another gem. It's like a soul-searching journey that takes us to Italy, India, and Bali. The film captures the essence of self-discovery through travel.
I agree completely. It's a heartwarming story of healing, growth, and finding oneself amidst the cultural richness of different countries.
And what about TV shows? Have you come across any travel-themed series that you enjoy?
Oh, definitely. I recently watched The Amazing Race. It's a thrilling competition where teams race around the world, completing challenges and experiencing various cultures.
The Amazing Race is so entertaining. It's like a travel adventure combined with adrenaline-pumping challenges. It gives us a taste of different countries and their unique customs.
And let's not forget Departures. It's a hidden gem that follows two friends traveling to offbeat destinations, immersing themselves in local culture.
I adore Departures. It's a true celebration of travel and the power of human connection. The host's passion for exploration is contagious.
You know, these films and shows remind me of how travel can be a transformative experience. It's not just about visiting places, it's about the people we meet and the lessons we learn.
Absolutely. Travel broadens our horizons and fosters empathy and understanding for different ways of life.
It's like we become citizens of the world, appreciating the beauty of diversity and cherishing our shared humanity.
I couldn't agree more. Every film or show that celebrates travel leaves us with a sense of wonder and a desire to explore.
Well said, Sarah. Here's to the magic of travel on both the big and small screens, and to the adventures that await us in the real world.
Cheers to that, Alex. May our love for travel continue to be fueled by these cinematic journeys and lead us to unforgettable experiences.
You know, Sarah, watching these travel-themed films and TV shows has definitely inspired some of my real-life adventures.
I can totally relate, Alex. After watching movies like Into the Wild and Wild, I felt a deep urge to embark on a solo journey and reconnect with nature.
And did you go on that solo journey?
Yes, I did. I took a hiking trip to a national park and spent a few days surrounded by breathtaking landscapes. It was a soul-soothing experience.
That's amazing, Sarah. It's incredible how these films can ignite the spark for us to seek out our own adventures.
And the show Parts Unknown with Anthony Bourdain. It's like a gastronomic and cultural exploration of different countries. It made me want to try cuisines from around the world.
Oh, I'm a huge fan of Parts Unknown, too. Anthony Bourdain's curiosity and respect for other cultures were inspiring. It motivated me to be more open to trying new foods and flavors.
It's fascinating how these films and shows not only entertain us, but also encourage personal growth and self-discovery.
You're absolutely right. They remind us that travel is about stepping out of our comfort zones and embracing the unknown.
And it's not always about going to far-off places. Sometimes, we can find travel magic right in our own backyard.
That's so true. Local travel can be just as enriching. It allows us to appreciate the beauty and history of our own surroundings.
It's like finding adventure in the everyday.
Exactly. And these films and shows are like a treasure trove of ideas for future journeys. They keep our wanderlust alive and inspire us to keep exploring.
Here's to the power of storytelling and how it shapes our real-life adventures. May we continue to be inspired by these cinematic journeys.
Cheers to that, Sarah. Let's keep exploring, seeking inspiration, and making our travel dreams come true. You know, Sarah, these travel-themed films and shows have left a lasting impression on me. They've not only inspired my adventures but also shaped my perspective on the world.
I feel the same way, Alex. Traveling through these cinematic journeys has expanded my horizons and made me more open-minded.
It's incredible how storytelling has the power to change us. These films and shows have taught us to appreciate the beauty of diversity and the richness of different cultures.
Absolutely. They've reminded me that travel is not just about ticking off destinations, but about the connections we make and the memories we create.
True. It's the people we meet and the experiences we share that make our travels truly meaningful.
And it's not just about the glamorous side of travel that we see in movies and TV shows. Travel can also be about embracing challenges and learning from them.
That's a valuable lesson. Just like the characters in these films and shows face their own trials and triumphs, our real-life adventures are also filled with ups and downs.
And those ups and downs are what make our travel stories so unique and special.
You're right. Our journeys, like those on the big and small screens, are filled with moments of joy, wonder, and self-discovery.
And that's why I'm grateful for the magic of storytelling. It allows us to experience the world in ways we may not have imagined.
It's like a bridge that connects us to places, cultures, and emotions.
Here's to the power of storytelling and its ability to transport us to far-off places and touch our hearts.
Cheers to that, Sarah. May we continue to be inspired, to explore with an open mind, and to create our own extraordinary travel stories.